the steering U-joint had rubbed against the wire harness here and tore, as you can see. Let me see if it'll focus. But yeah, it chafed all the wires there, which would explain why I have no dash lights. And when I turn the steering wheel, the fuse popped. Ain't no telling how many other things that aren't working right because of this. But as you can see, there's a lot of chafing here. Look at that. That's a good shot of it. There's a lot of chafing the wires there. And it's all because of the steering U-joint. Right now, the whole steering, I lift it all the way up so I can get access to it. So when it's in the driving position that most of us drive in, over time, it was rubbing against the wires here, the whole wire harness. So yeah, that is definitely a problem. So I'm gonna send you this video, and you know, I'm just gonna leave the truck like this and tag it out. I can come back and try to fix it, like bridge the wires the best I can, short of you needing a wire harness, because that's pretty much what it's going to come down to. Either we try to work it out like this and get it so it's actually working, or you're going to need a wire harness coming from the steering column here, going down to probably the main fuse panel. Like I said, every time I turned the steering wheel, even though I was sitting still, I couldn't get the fuse to blow, and the wipers are working. So I started turning the steering wheel just to see, and sure enough, it popped. It popped 3 fuses each time. So I knew it had to be something in the steering column, and sure enough, the U-joint right here for the steering column was rubbing against the wire, and it chafed it pretty good. Ain't no telling how long it's been doing it, but it's a problem now. So okay, just wanted to let you know what the deal is. All right.